Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a Honda Civic Si from Hot Wheels. And this is painted in a nice glossy black. So you can zoom in and see it. Now, this Honda Civic, I believe it's a 1999 to 2006 model Honda Civic, because I actually had a silver one, but not an SI model. And this is the coupe. And the wheels really fit this Hot Wheels. I like the multi-spoke. It makes it just like really cool as a body kit on there. So you can see a little bit of a detail on the bottom of the bumper. The headlights are detailed, which is nice. It gives it a character. And it even has the Honda emblem in the middle. It's somewhat hard to see, but on the hood, there's like little hood scoop, or vents, I mean, on there. So it's part of the body kit that's on here. Even has a sunroof with, see if I can get this to focus on there. But yeah, you can see a clear plastic. So it even has the sunroof for you to see through it, which is cool. And then coming around the back, it has a big spoiler or wing. And then even the taillights are painted, which is really nice. Some of these Hot Wheels, they never really paint or put any detail in the headlights or taillights. Even has the word Civic and the Honda emblem in the middle. Now, one thing they didn't do is put an SI badge, which I think they did have it on the real vehicle. But, you know, it's still okay. It's a clean look to this Honda Civic. You can see the exhaust on the bottom. There's one exhaust on the right side. It's not painted in silver or anything to kind of stand out, but it's a bigger exhaust, so it shows you how it's like a Japanese tuned vehicle where they have a big exhaust, big wing, body kit, and rims. So this is a nice looking clean black Honda Civic Si. So, you know, everything's black here in the bottom. So it's very, very cool looking. There's no crazy graphics or anything. Just simple and clean on this vehicle. So let me know below in the comments, do you like this vehicle? I mean, did you even have one of these in real life? This is a cool vehicle to have, to kind of have a memento about a vehicle that you may have in the past. But I really like the detail that they have on this thing, and keeping it clean and just simple one color paint, and providing just enough detail to show you, hey, this is a Honda Civic Si. Now this, at first, I thought this was like one of the vehicles from Fast and Furious, the first one, where they had the black Honda Civics going after a semi. No spoilers, but you guys could watch it if you haven't watched Fast and Furious, which I would be surprised. But I'm trying to remember. I think the Honda Civics that they used were older models and not this model. It's been a while since I watched the very first Fast and Furious. So let me know in the comments, did I make a mistake? Was it this Honda Civic model, or was it the older ones that they had when they were chasing down the semi in Fast and Furious? If it was this one, then it would be a cool car to use in their Fast and Furious line, and actually have a different card and tell you that it's, you know, one of the Fast and Furious vehicles. Because I know they released a lot of Fast and Furious vehicles over the years. So here it is, the Hot Wheels Honda Civic Si. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.